How to see all the games you have ever played on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Roblox application on your device and sign into your account. To check all the games that you have played on Roblox mobile, first of all on your home page, you will see continue button. When you scroll down here you can see continue. So let's tap on continue. And from this list, you will see all the games that you have played till now, such as Super Shadow 2 I played just now. So currently, this is listed on the space. You can even tap continue bar at top right corner of your screen. And here you will see different options like a sponsored, top trending, and your favorites will be listed on the space as well if you have saved any game as favorite. So, you can also explore learning games and popular genres like roleplay. So, this section is very essential for tracking your game history and discovering new games you might enjoy. So, that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.